In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Mbox future while examining the Mobox cost figure for 2022 and past in a very significant manner. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand. Truly, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Mobox. Presently, how about we head into it, which truly is genuinely huge. Before we dig profound into the Mobox value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Mbox generally is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will Mbox succeed or for the most part fizzle, or for what reason will Mobox value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in a real sense, toss a look at what Mbox really is and its to-date history amazingly. Mbox value expectation for the following 10 days, which most certainly is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in a real sense start to generally do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many really times in the far off and genuinely later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We in every practical sense expect whales and other a lot greater players in the market to in every practical sense wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each venture, which is very critical. Basics that we by and large assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative genuinely potential, and some other sort of exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking, plus 0.20% $0, 4346 2022 1202, 1.88% $0, 4256 2022 1203 in an unpretentious manner, 2.12% $0, 4245 2022 1204 in an extremely large manner, 3.33% $0, 4192 2022 1205, plus 2.00% $0, 4424 2022 1206, or so they thought, plus 2.20% $0, 4432 2022 1207, 2.82% $0, 4215 2022 1208, or so they thought, plus 1.98% $0, 4423 2022 1209 in a fundamentally huge manner, 2.90% $0, 4211 2022 1210, 4.74% 41 cents Mobox value forecast 2022 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance truly thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which fundamentally is very huge. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with genuinely huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 generally isn't looking excessively, most certainly really great for the bulls, which is genuinely critical. We will most likely in every practical sense see a great deal of truly exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to truly slip lower with every sort of minor market quake. Captain Altcoins expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise, which in every practical sense is very critical. Beneath essentially is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DEC 10.01% $0, 3903 2023 Jan 27.81% $0, 3131 2023 Feb 26.80% $0, 3175 2023 Blemish 16.62% $0, 3616 2023 APRA 18.58% $0, 3531 2023 May 10.84% $0, 3867 2023 Jun plus 1.24% $0, 4391 2023 Joel plus 1.43% $0, 4399 2023 AUG plus 2.17% $0, 4431 2023 SEP plus 15.82% $0, 5023 2023 OCT plus 16.30% $0, 5044 2023 NOV plus 23.60% 53 cents Mbox value expectation 2025, which in a real sense is very huge. What will Mbox be worth in 5 years, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Mbox in 5 years could fundamentally lie around 82 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Mobox value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Mobox will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Mobox coming to $2.13 in 2030. What Mobox will really be especially worth in 2040, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Our estimating model sees Mobox coming to $4.25 in 2040. Will Mobox generally swap, all things considered, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Mobox won't supplant or truly surpass BTC. Might Mobox at any point in a real sense reach $100 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mobox to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Might Mobox at any point by and large reach $1,000, which is genuinely huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mobox to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Mobox kind of worth purchasing in a significant manner? We, in every way that really matters, are promoters of modestly dangerous money management, especially put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Or so they basically thought. Thus, in this unique situation, Mobox basically is extremely worth purchasing. Is Mobox a fundamentally wise speculation, in spite of mainstream thinking? Mobox is, very much like all very other digital currencies, an unsafe speculation, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It truly does essentially have certainly higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area, and in every practical sense, strong group behind it. How truly much will Mobox sort of be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 26 cents, which is very critical. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.13 or even a lot higher. For what reason will Mobox generally succeed and get more expensive in a significant manner? Mobox has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, really dynamic local area and a very strong group behind it, which most certainly is very huge. These really are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Mobox ascending to $2.13 in 2030, which for the most part is genuinely huge. For what reason will Mobox fall flat and drop in value, which is very critical? Crypto projects really fizzle in light of multiple factors amazingly. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, sort of additional effective contenders, absence of very much planned promoting methodology, losing local area support, genuinely likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to sort of accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to truly draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation essentially. How essentially high will Mobox go, or so they truly thought? Our determining model sees Mobox value detonating and coming to $4.25 in a far-off future. What explicitly is the